how to fix switch to youtube.com problem. So guys, if you're encountering issues with the switch to youtube.com prompt while trying to watch a video, then there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, open the App Store on your iPhone device. So after you open the App Store, search for the YouTube option inside it. Type down the YouTube on the search bar and search for the YouTube. And if there is an update option available right next to the YouTube, then make sure that you download the up-to-date version of the YouTube, because sometimes outdated YouTube versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues or any software glitches. So after that, simply go to the settings app on your iPhone device, and in settings, tap on the general option available in there. And in general, look for iPhone storage and tap on it. And in iPhone storage, tap on the YouTube option, and there you can see the offload app option. Simply tap on it. So what happens, it will just clear your cache and cookies from the YouTube. So guys, basically by following these steps, you can troubleshoot and potentially resolve the switch to youtube.com problem. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.